Hello everyone, welcome to Literature Insights. I hope you all are doing well. Today's video is about Alan Sinfield. I am making this video not for the chronology of his works, but because he is an important writer, because he has been repeatedly asked in net. His works like Political Shakespeare and Fault Lines, they were a part of the previous year question papers. So I am sharing here all of his works. So pay attention very carefully. But before moving on to his works, I'll share little information about him. So let's get started. Alan Sinfield was born in 1941. He was an English theorist in the fields of Shakespeare and sexuality, gender studies, queer theory, queer studies, and cultural theory. He is credited with a leading role in establishing queer studies in mainstream queer studies. He was a professor of English at the University of Sussex. His father, Ernest, served in the Royal Air Force. His mother, Lucy, washed dishes at a cafe and experienced Parkinson's disease. Now, Parkinson's disease, it is a disease, that affects your nervous system. And the parts of the body which are controlled by the nerves. So this is that disease. Now continuing with him, looking at his mother condition, he shaped his political commitment to disadvantaged people, those who are elderly, infirm, unemployed, black, queer, lone parents, and so on. He pioneered the sexual dissidence program at the University of Sussex with Jonathan Dollimore, his partner with whom he wrote Political Shakespeare, his very important work. He and his work were the subject of a special issue of the journal Textual Practice, and he himself was the editor of the journal for a very long period. His partner was Jonathan Dollimore and later Vincent Quinn. He, like his mother, suffered from Parkinson's disease and died in the year 2017. Now moving towards his works. His works are really important, so just memorize them properly. So I am beginning with it. He has written works like Shakespeare, Authority, Sexuality, Unfinished Business in Cultural Materialism, which is coming in the year 2006. Literature, Politics and Culture in Post-War Britain, which is coming in the year 2004. On Sexuality and Power, which is coming in the same year as Literature, Politics and Culture in Post-War Britain, 2004. Out on Stage, Lesbian and Gay Theatre in the 20th Century, 1999. Then, Gay and After, Gender, Culture and Consumption, 1998. Cultural Politics, Queer Reading, 1994. The Wild Century, Effeminacy, Oscar Wilde and the Queer Movement, 1994. Then his very important work, Political Shakespeare, Essays in Cultural Materialism, 1994, along with Jonathan Dollimore. Then Fault Lines, Cultural Materialism and the Politics of Dissident Reading, coming in the year 1992. Then Literature in Protestant England, 1560 to 1660, which is coming in the year 1983. Then Dramatic Monologue, which is coming in the year 1977. And then The Language of Tennyson's In Memoriam, 1971. So that's it about all of his works. Just remember all of his works very carefully. Just know the titles and the information that I've shared about him, and you'll be able to memorize him in a better way. And that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and thank you for watching.